So today, I'm pretty excited about today because there's like, I know today we're gonna get everything done and I'm really excited. So the first thing we're gonna do, oh, we gotta finish the cabinet. Yes, like we said last night, we gotta put that another little spot there. So we gotta get this other thing. Look, oh wait, you were there. I forget if I videotape or not sometimes. So we're gonna make another one that goes around. We're probably gonna make it the same height as this. We're gonna make it a little lower, but we need to know the length and I don't know. So let me go get my measuring tape. Let's just do 14 and a half. 14 and a half it is. I gotta make another one of these. Okay, I've got all my stuff. This is dry. I got this to put on the edge and these two to hold it. Well, shit. Alright, I'm gonna make another one. Take this one out. Okay, I got a new one. It's the last one, so let's hope I don't break this one too. Dear forces of everything, please don't let me break this. Way better. Yay! I'm so happy! It's so organized! Yes! Alright, let's move on. Next thing I want to work on is the heater. So this is where the heater's at. You know that, but see, this tube is totally in the way of everything, of storage and stuff, but I also want to protect it. So what I want to do is I want to build something around it to protect it and then make a platform to put my gas tank right here. That's about it. So we just got to figure out how to do this. Okay, so this is what I have so far of idea. So I put some pillars up. I put them as high just over this tube. This is what I want to cover. And then with these here, nothing's attached. These are gonna hang out over the tube just enough. And then I'm gonna add plywood to each one of them. And it'll cover the entire tube and protect it from everything else around it. I'm probably gonna make it higher as well. So this is first. I do need to make two more of these for these so it's all level. And then a piece of plywood on top. And then I'll see if I can get some plywood to go up. Alright, this is my idea. So I'm going to attach these to these here on the edge or along the side. This on those, and then I'm going to figure out how to put a platform. It might be half-assed, a little holy, but it'll be fine. I made these long so the gas can can't fall around. Kind of keeps it in one spot because the van's always moving. It's a work in progress, but it's coming together. I mean, so far, I just hope the gas tank fits in. I think it will. Snugly. But we'll see. That's gonna what it looks like. Hopefully. Well, it'll look better, but that's the gist of it I'm hoping for. Okay, while those are drying, I did already cut the pieces I want to install in here, you know, little dividers. So I have them here, and I also have my corner pieces cut. So let's go ahead and put those together and install them. All right, this is what we got. Pretty stuck in there pretty well. Good. Alright, I think the next thing is go see if those are dry, see if I can install some of them, you know, piece by piece. And then we'll look into making the platform and then installing the platform. Yeah. Alright, this is what I got. I'm thinking that I could screw these to the boards down there. Boop, boop. Have those down. And then maybe do some angular holes. Do some drill bits and put a hole there that's angular and screw it into the floor. It won't be super strong, but I'm not too worried about it because we're going to put a platform here. We're going to screw into each one of these with that platform. And then we'll have the gas can on top. I was thinking about cutting this off so I can get it under here, but it's actually protecting the gas tank from hitting this, which is really good because heat and gas don't go well together, so that'll be a good little protection. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. It'll look better once, you know, it'll look better once it's all, you know, put together. So let's screw those in. Actually not too bad. Alright, let's get this board ready. It's not too bad. It's not very stable. I mean, it's not very like secured down, but it fucking works! So that's done. I do want to add a few more screws to very miscellaneous areas, but I think that's it. I'm so happy. I'm done with all of my little projects I wanted to do. I did the closet, tree, I did the heater, I cleaned the fridge, and I finished that. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Okay, well that was fun, you guys. We are all done. I'm really happy. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I wonder if this was helpful or not. Just kind of brought you along with my process. There was no any kind of like plan or how to do it or whatever. This gas can thing was very complex. I've never built anything like that in my life, and I totally winged it, but it's working. I'll keep y'all updated if it, you know, falls apart or something. I love you guys.